Hi now, I am going to show you how to pay property tax step by step. Please follow along. First, go to Google and search for property tax for your desired location. Here, I am searching for Madeira and clicking on search. Now, the search results are displayed. Click on the first link, which will take you to the official government site. On the website, navigate to the Citizen Services section. Click on Pay Property Tax Online, which will redirect you to another page. Here, enter your PTI, Property Tax Identification Number, and click on Know Your Tax. Your pending tax details will be displayed. Cross-check all the details carefully. Select the appropriate tax columns, enter your mobile number and email ID. Choose a payment gateway and click on Proceed. Select your payment method. Here, I am choosing the credit card option. Enter your card details and proceed. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and submit. The payment will be processed, and once successful, you will see a confirmation message. Finally, download or print the receipt by clicking on the download button. Yes, the receipt has been downloaded successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you.